Hello friends, I am Trilochan. I hope you are safe and healthy. So let's discuss why the creator of Node.js, Rand Hall, has regretted and coming up with another project Deno. So what is Deno and how it is different from the Node? So is it only the swap of two letters here or it is better version of Node? So without any further delay, let's get started. Creator of Node.js regretted those points. So let's discuss. First one is not sticking to promise. Promise is the necessary abstract of async or event. The promise could have the better solution for the Node.js, but it was removed in 2010. But it was earlier there, but removed in 2010. So this is the first regret. The second is security. It could have a better security because V8 has their own security sandbox, right? Third one is the build system. The sole user of Zip is only the Node.js. Earlier it was used by the Google Chrome, but that abandoned for the GN. Then package.json. It is dependent on npm. There is an unnecessary sort of information keeping license, descriptions, and everything. So this is not necessary. So we can earlier it was like we can import the JS file directly to the JS file. So there is no need of package.json the keeping the information in your project. Okay. The next one is node modules. It is happiest object of the world. So all the node modules we have to keep our project. So there's another unnecessary things we are doing in Node.js. The, this one is require module without .js. This is a sake of just avoiding the extensions .js. So there is no need like module only module name, and so we can keep like we can I have told this only we can use the .js. We can import the .js. There is no need of require module without JS extensions. So last one is index.js. So it's unnecessary load all the modules in index.js. So like it's just fascinating like we keep in everything in index.js like index.html in websites. So these are the regret of the creator of Node.js. So creator of Node.js came up with a solution to the Node.js problem, which is Deno. What is Deno? Deno is a JavaScript TypeScript runtime with secure defaults and with they have the following features like ships as a single executable file with no dependency to be installed, and second one is security, no file network or environment access unless explicitly enabled. The third one is can be bundled into a single JS file, and fourth one is support TypeScript. And let's discuss the difference between Deno and Node. So Deno does not use npm, so there is no dependency now. So use the module referenced as a URLs or file paths, like as we have already used in JavaScript. Simple importing the another JavaScript in the JavaScript files. So this is so Deno does not use npm. The second one is does not use package.json. This is unnecessary things like in Node.js creator regretted. So now in Deno there is no use of package.json. So third one is all async action is Deno returns a promise. This was another regret of the creator of Node.js. So this is promise is required in. So that's why in Deno we are using all in promises in all async actions in Deno returns a promise. Okay. The fourth one is Deno requires explicit permission for file or network or environment. Like example, allow net or allow read. Allow net for the network and allow read for the file permission for the files. Okay. So fifth one is Deno always on on-code errors. Always on on-code errors. Okay. Sorry. Deno always dies on on-code errors. Okay. So sixth one is uses ES modules and does not support require. So we can import the third-party modules via simple URL. Okay, like import star as logs and your URL. So this is how you can import your third-party modules through to your Deno programs. So these are the difference between the Deno and Node. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you so much again.